So hello students, welcome back to the sixth part of second chapter, that is latitudes and longitudes. Okay, and today we will discuss calculation of longitude and time. Okay, so we have learned that longitudes help us to calculate time of any region, right? Any region or any place. So that's why here in this video we will learn how we can calculate time of any place or any region with the help of longitudes. Okay, now before that let me tell you students, can you imagine this world without time? It means if there would be no time, then what would happen? Then everything would be like stand still, right? Like no communication, no working, everything. Now students, let us assume one more situation, that every village or every town had kept their own time by themselves. Okay, then what would happen? Then there would be confusion, right? Confusion of time. And every time when we have to go to other villages, like other towns, then we have to constantly change the time of our watch and the clock. So students, that's why to avoid these kinds of problem, all the countries of the world have decided or have taken one reference or longitude to decide the times of all the region or every region of the world. Okay, so now students, let us know or let us learn what is that reference line. Okay, so we will be beginning from here, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, now 0 degree meridian passes through Royal Astronomical Observatory near, that is Greenwich, near London. It is called prime meridian. Okay, so on our earth, okay, on our earth we have learned about this. We have 0 degree meridians. It means longitudes of 0 degree. Okay, longitude of 0 degree, and this 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. You have already learned about this prime meridian. Okay, so students, these 0 degree meridians, that is longitude, passes through one department or one office, you can say, that is Royal Astronomical Observation, and this department especially takes care or get information of or do study about the time and the date of the world. Okay, and this department, you can say department, is in Greenwich village, which is near the London. Okay, so this prime meridian, that is 0 degree longitude, passes through one village which is called Greenwich. Okay, Greenwich, which is near the London. Okay, so that's why time shown by this degree, that is prime meridian, is known as Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. What? GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, so this is one reference line by which we or the world calculate their local time with the help of longitude they have on their countries. Okay, now next year in 1884, decided by an agreement, adopted local time of double-D. Okay, local time of prime meridian worldwide. Now students, questions arises that how people or the world decided to keep this prime meridian, that is 0 degree meridian, as a reference point for the time of other countries. Okay, so for that in 1884 they decided, they means here many countries, especially in that time there were 26 countries. What they did an agreement and they adopted this prime meridian 0 degree as a reference point for the calculation of time in the worldwide in other countries. Okay, now when sun is overhead on the prime meridian, it is 12 noon. Now how did they decide? Okay, they decided that when this region will have, that is prime meridian region, this region will have sun on overhead, that time will be 12 noon for this region. Okay, so they have decided in this way. Okay, now an international time is calculated with the help of reference of the prime meridian, and as I told you that time of other countries or other region are calculated with the help of this meridian, that is prime meridian, which is of 0 degree. Okay, so this is the reference line for other countries to calculate time of their region with the help of longitudes they have. Okay, now let us go to these points. Okay, Earth make a complete, that is 360-degree rotation in a day or 24 hours or 1 degree in 4 minutes. So students, you know that our Earth rotates on its axis, right? And in 1 day, that is in 24 hours, it completes one rotation. It means of 360 degree. Okay, so it completes 360 degree in 24 hours, or you can say it rotates 1 degree in 4 minutes. Okay, mathematically I will show you. You can see, as I told you, one rotation, that is 360 degree, in how many hours? 24 hours. So when you divide it, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 180, then 6 2 is 12, 6 30 is 180, 2 1 is 2, 2 15 is. So here you can see this is degree, na? 15 degree, and this was time, so that's why 1. So students, from here we can say in 1 hour Earth rotates how many degree? 15 degree. So similarly, here you can see this is 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes divided by 15. So when you divide it, 15 1 is 15, 15 4 is 60. So here you can see 1 degree in how many minutes? 1 degree in 4 minutes. Okay. So Earth rotates 360 degree, that is one rotation in, completes one rotation in 24 hours, or 15 degree in 1 hour, or you can say 1 degree in 4 minutes. Okay, so this is the movement of the rotation of the Earth. Okay, so now next, Earth rotates from west to east. So every 15 degree we go east. Local time is 1 hour added. If we go west, then local time is reduced. Okay, so now students, here you can see this is our Earth. Okay, so here this is prime meridian, which is of 0 degree, right? 0 degree. Now you tell me, what is this, longitude or latitude? Tell me. Yes, it is longitude. Okay, so from this longitude, that is from prime meridian, this side is eastern hemisphere, or you can say east direction, and this region is western hemisphere, or you can say west direction. Okay, so here it is written, if you go, okay, west to east 15 degree, west to east means from this region, so this direction. Okay, so suppose this is 0 degree. Okay, so from here this is 15 degree east. Suppose this is 15 degree east. Okay, now let us consider that here it is 12 noon. Okay, here it means in this prime meridian it is 12 noon. Now one place is there which is in the 15 degree longitude. Then what will be the time here? So here it is written, if you go 15 degree to the east direction, then 1 hour is added. 1 hour is added. So if it is here 12 noon, then in 15 degree it will be 1 p.m. How many p.m.? 1 p.m. Right? I think you are getting right. Now, if you go further 15 minutes from here, 15 degree. Now let us move 15 degree from here. Then 15 degree 1 hour, 15 degree 1 hour. It means 2 hours. So if it is 12 noon here, then here 1 hour, then this is 2 hours. That is 2 p.m. Okay. So students, if you go to the east direction from the prime meridian, then your time will be added. Okay, remember, if you go towards the east from the prime meridian, then time will be plus. Okay, now suppose let us take one longitude. This is 15 degree here. Okay, 15 degree, that is west. Okay, so if you come western side or west from the east, okay, west to the east, then 1 hour will be reduced. Where is this one? Okay, 1 hour will be reduced. Okay, so if it is 12 noon here in prime meridian, then here it will be 11 a.m. Very easy concept. Further, if you come 15 degree more from here to the west, then this will be 30 degree west, and again 1 more hour will be reduced, then here it will be 10 a.m. Okay, so students, from here we can say, if you come west from the east, then your time will be deducted. deducted. Okay, I think you got the concept, right? So that's why here it is written earth rotates from the west to east direction. So every 15 minutes we go east, then local time will be 1 hour added, and if you go to the west, then time will be 1 hour deducted. So if you go this direction, then time will be added. If you come to this direction, that is west direction, then time will be deducted. Okay, now students, suppose this is prime meridian 0 degree, and here we have 12 noon. What? 12 noon. And from here, if we move 1 degree, how many degree? Suppose this is 1 degree longitude. Okay, 1 degree. Then what will be the time here in this 1 minute longitude? Can you tell me what will be the time? So I told you, students, that to rotate 1 degree, earth takes how many minutes? 4 minutes. How many minutes? 4 minutes. Then it is simple. It will be 12:04 p.m. here, right? Okay, we have added 4 minutes. Why? Because we are moving to the east from the west. So that's why we are adding 4 minutes. Now, suppose if we have here one longitude of 1 degree. Okay, now what will be the time of this longitude? It means the time of this region. What will be the time of this region? Now it is 1 degree. This longitude is 1 degree, and it is in the western hemisphere. It means in the west direction. So that's why what we have to do, we have to reduce 4 minutes. So what will be the time here? Here it will be 11:56 a.m. I think you got it, right? So this is the concept. Okay, if you go to the eastern hemisphere or east direction, then time will be added. If you come to the western direction or western hemisphere or west direction, then time will be reduced or deducted. So students, now let us see one example to how to calculate the time of place if its longitude is given. Okay, so here you can see first example, example 1. Okay, this is very important concept. Okay, so here you have to give a little more attention. So if the GMT, it means Greenwich Mean Time, at 0 degree, it means in prime meridian. If in the prime meridian time is 12 noon, okay, 12 noon, find the time of station A. Station A, and if not written, okay, mistakenly, it is in 60 degree towards the east. So here it is written towards the east. It means plus time, right? If it is in east direction from the GMT or from prime meridian, then time is added. I told you. So it is 60 degree. How many degree? 60 degree. Now calculation. Okay. So let me write here solution. Simply I will write solution. So students, you know that to travel 1 degree, sunlight needs how many minutes? 4 minutes. Or you can say earth rotates 1 degree in how many minutes? 4 minutes. So students, to move 1 degree or to rotate 1 degree, earth needs how many minutes? 4 minutes. Okay, so 4 minutes. So here we have 60 degree. How many degree? 60 degree. Now as I told you, to rotate 1 degree our earth needs 4 minutes. It means sunlight will move 1 degree in 4 minutes. Okay, so here we have how many degree? 60 degree. So each degree needs 4 minutes. So that's why 4 into 60 will give us 240 minutes. How many minutes? 240 minutes. It means our earth to rotate from 0 to 60 degree, it needs 240 minutes. Now this 240 minutes you have to convert into hour, right? So divided by 60, 0 cancel, it means divided by 10, then 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So 4 hours. How many hours? This 240 minutes is equal to how many hours? 4 hours. So I told you that it is 60 degree in each direction. So we have to add time, right? We have to add time. How many hours? We have to add 4 hours. So 12 noon plus 4 hours will give us 12 noon. 8 4 hours. From 12 noon, then we have 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Or you can do in this way also. 4 hours we have to add at 12 noon. 12 noon means 12 hours plus 4 hours. It will give us 16 hours. It is in 24 hours, right? So when you convert this one in 12 hours, then it will give us 4 p.m. How many p.m.? 4 p.m. So in this way, students, you can calculate time of or the local time of any place if you know the longitude of that place. So now students, let us see one more example, that is example number 2. Now if GMT at 0 degree, that is in prime meridian, is 12 noon, find the time of station B. Okay, that earlier one station A, this is station B. If it is in 30 degree, here I did not write if. Okay, if it is in 30 degree towards the west. Now towards the west means minus. Towards the west means we have to deduct or minus or reduce the time. Okay, so we have to reduce the time where it is 30 degree west. Now again I will write just solution. Okay, so you know that 0 degree to cross the 0 degree sunlight needs 4 minutes, or earth rotate 1 degree in 4 minutes. Okay, so 1 degree in 4 minutes. So here we have how many degree? 30 degree. So simply multiply with 4, that is 4 minutes, right? So when you multiply it, 4 3 12, you will get 120 minutes. What? 120 minutes. When you convert it, 120 minutes in hour, then 120 divided by 60, 0 0 cancel, it means divided by 10, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, so 2 hours. How many hours? Or you can write here 2 hours. So what you have to do? You have to deduct or subtract 2 hours from the given time, that is 12 noon. So 12 minus 2 will give you 10. It means time will be 10 a.m. So the time will be 10 a.m. So students, in this way you can calculate or you can find out time or the local time of any places if you know the longitudinal value of that place or longitudinal degree of that place. So in this way we come to an end of this topic, that is this topic. So we will meet another one video, and that will be, I think, last part number 7, and I think it will be last part of the chapter. Okay, so till then, take care.